Okay, let's try and open the microwave. Oh god. Ah! Ah!
Put an Oreo in the microwave. Oh my god.
Message to humanity: don't put Oreos in the microwave. Oh god.
Seriously, man.
Oh god, look at it. Look at it. Can I zoom in on it? I don't think I can zoom in. Oh god, it's all over the camera, just like.
It smells so bad. Okay. Yep. Don't put an Oreo in the microwave, like.
Yeah, look at it. Oh my god, it's all weird. Oh, look at it sizzle. Oh, gross. Oh my god, look, it's like it's broken.
Oh god.
Oh, it's
What have
weird. We've created a monster. Oh god.
Okay.
Okay, what do we do?
I'm just gonna.
God, I can taste it from a distance.
The fuck?
Oh god. Does it stick? Oh my god. What the hell? This is going down in history as that one time that we set an Oreo on fire. Oh god, don't touch it.
It's hot.
It's dangerous. I think it's radioactive or some mess. I think it's alive. Oh god.
Wait, what the fuck? Okay, like.
Oh,
So
oh,
that's-
gross. Oh god, it's like a stone. Oh, look at it. Oh god.
Yeah, so, don't put Oreos in the microwave.
Yeah, lesson learned. Oh god.